Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change a door closing cam on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 5/16 nut driver and Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how it's done. In preparation for this repair, there's two things we'll want to do. First of all, we'll empty the shelves on the door because we're going to end up removing this door to do the repair. And secondly, we'll turn the refrigerator off so that we don't have fans running while the door is off. Next, we need to remove the cover for the top hinge. There's one Phillips screw holding that in place. Next, we'll remove the two 5/16 hex head screws that hold the top hinge in place. Next, we'll lift the door off and put it on a suitable work surface so that we can change the cam on the bottom. Now with the door on a solid work surface, our next step will be to remove the screw that holds the cam to the bottom of the door. The first thing we'll do is we'll loosen the center screw of the door stop. And we'll remove the screw that is closest to the corner. Pivot the door stop out of the way and remove the bottom door closing cam. Just slide the new one into place. Reinsert the 5/16 hex head screw. Before we tighten it, we'll want to make sure that it lines up perfectly with the recessed hole in the bottom of the door. And tighten those two screws. Now we're ready to reinstall the door. Now that we've replaced the parts, we're ready to reinstall the door on the refrigerator. Set the door on lower hinge pin. Rotate it into place. Let the gasket hold it there. Insert the top hinge into the door. Locate the holes for the two 5/16 hex head screws. Start those by hand. We won't tighten these up completely until we check the alignment of the door. Make sure the gap is even top to bottom between the freezer and fresh food door and level across the top, and that we have an even spacing along the side. Tighten those two screws up firmly. Ready to reinstall the hinge cover. Check the operation of the door, and our repair is complete. And that's how easy it was to change the door closing cam on your refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your repair.